Over here we have a 2013 Harley-Davidson FLH TCU Electra Glide Ultra Classic in color white. It's a big bike, but the white paint makes it look a little bit bigger than it really is. Mile-wise, under 26,000. Go ahead and play you the pipes. Big old Vance & Hines pipes that make the bike sound as good as it looks. Upgraded stereo, triac speakers in the fairing, upper fairing, lower fairing, as well as on either side of the passenger's butt. Leather cover for the saddlebag lids. Bike's in great shape. And Jamie in our detail department, Jamie is our detail department, makes it sparkle like this. Don't know if you can see in the video or even in the still photos, but there's some metal flakes in this paint that will just completely and totally pop in the sunlight. This bike is available for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.